Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how to send files using WeTransfer. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and costs you only a few clicks. So with that in mind, let us get started. Now, in the first step, head over to google.com and search for WeTransfer. Select the first entry you see here. And now, guys, you can sign up on WeTransfer here on their homepage, for example, for a free membership, and use WeTransfer's file sending features free of charge, at least to some extent, like for example, send files of up to 2 GB within a free membership. So guys, to send files to your contacts, simply enter the email address of your contact here. It says email to, but before you send that file to your contact, you will first have to upload it. You can do that by clicking on that button here at the top, upload files, and by simply uploading your file, like for example an image, a photo, or a text document, or a video file from your device to your WeTransfer account. So let me do that. I will go with that video file for demonstration purposes. Alternatively, you may also select an entire folder and upload it to your account. There you go. Next, click on transfer here at the bottom. You send the invitation link to your contact. There you go. As you can see, your contact has been notified via email and also has been given access to your uploaded file. Through that email, you can check here to the right if the given person has or hasn't downloaded the given file yet, how many total downloads are left, and also what the expiration date of the given file is, which is usually 3 days ahead of the date you uploaded the given file, which would be in this case here September 4th. Alternatively, you may download the given file by clicking on the button here, watch it in the preview mode, delete it, or share it with other contacts by simply copying that link here and by sharing it with your contacts, for example, through direct messaging services, social media posts, or emails, and that way give your contacts access to that uploaded file. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.